In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to collaborate on GitHub so you can work on projects with other people. First, go to the GitHub website and sign in to your account. Next, open the repository where you want to collaborate. If you are the project owner, go to the Settings tab and look for the Collaborators or Manage Access option. Then click Add Collaborator and enter the username or email of the person you want to add to the project. After sending the invitation, the person must accept it to start collaborating. If you were invited to a project, simply accept the invitation sent to your email or shown in your GitHub account. Once you have access, click the code button and copy the repository link. Next, open the terminal on your computer and use the git clone command followed by the repository link to download the files. After that, open the project folder in your code editor and make the necessary changes. When finished, use the git add command to add the changes. Then use git commit message to save the updates. Finally, use git push to upload the changes to GitHub. All collaborators will then have access to the updated project. Collaborating on GitHub makes teamwork easier and helps keep development organized. And that's it. Now you know how to collaborate on GitHub quickly and efficiently. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.